Mate, wait till you see this watch. Whew. This watch is a beauty. You know those Luminoxes? It's not one of them, but it looks quite similar. And it's a tactical watch. And yeah, they're pretty good, really. But I put it on a bunt band. That's the watch I'm wearing today. Eee. See that? That's the watch I'm wearing today. Very nice. I'll give you a bit of a wrist shot. The original band I didn't really like that much. You know, it was okay, but because I got 8-inch wrists, I really enjoyed wearing this. See, a bit of a wrist roll. Yeah. It's a nice watch, the Casio. It's just basic, but the band just sets it off, doesn't it? You know, very rarely do I take and change the band and then stick to it. I've done it many times with a 5610U where I've taken it out, I've taken off the band, and then I've attached some other band. It could be a bunt band like this one. It could be stainless steel band. It could be a Velcro band, maybe different colors. And there's only very few that can pull it off. But especially because I got a bigger wrist, if you go a bunt band, any guys out there with big wrists, you get a bunt band with a small watch, and you stick the small watch on the bunt band, and it spreads it out. Beautiful. Huh. I found all the secrets. Hang around me, mate. You're going to find all the secrets. Yep. But it's pretty cool. I like it. And, you know, there's big watches out there too, but you can start to enjoy the smaller watches if it looks odd. You know, some people enjoy wearing it. I was watching an old World War II movie the other day, 1943 or something. It was a movie. And the guys are there, you know, doing something. And they look like little watches like that. You know, they look like little pebbles. But that was the fashion back then. Yeah. But today, you know, there are ways around it. You know, get a bit thicker band. You know, I've seen many use this one and put a bit thicker band on it. But this one in particular, I like the bunt band. It reminds me of, you know, rock singers, that sort of thing, or steampunk. Oh, I love steampunk. Like, have a look at some of the photos up there of what I want to do to one of my watches, maybe two of my watches. But you have a look at it. Tell me if that doesn't look good. And you guys out there that are into modding watches, mate, there's some good ones out there. There's one that does Pokemons, and I always say I like, because I reckon it's amazing how they just get a digital watch and they whack this Pokemon window in there. It just changes the look. It actually looks pretty good. And they had different ones like the Casino Royale, Casio Royale. Like, what I've seen them do is one of them as a NASA one, and then he went the other way. Forget about America, mate. He went the Russian way, and that looked mad. That looked good, you know, and I thought it was amazing. And then, you know, you could do so many other things. You could do China. You could do, like, there was even Superman I saw in the colors of Superman, mate. So there's a lot you can do with some of the Casio, especially the Casio Royales, mate. You can do so much with them. I originally had a Casio Royale on this bunt band. I had a wrist roll where I had it on there, and it was pretty good. I liked it, but for some reason I wanted to put that one back on a normal band because it looks pretty good on a normal band. See what I'm talking about? Sometimes it does look good on the original band and it looks better than some other band. But this particular watch, mate, this looked great. Almost looked like when I looked at it, you know how the bikers have got their vests, and there's a few bikers in Australia. I won't mention their name because it might be disrespectful or something, I don't know. But what they have on their trim of their vest, it's like all black, and then they got white sewn all around the jacket edges and around down the side and down the bottom. There's others that have yellow, and it looks really good. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Have you got any unusual band stories? Is there anyone that loves bunt bands as much as me? It's like these leather bands that just go around. You can stick a watch on there, and especially for you bigger fellas, you know, the big wrists, you know, try that out. Get a couple of bunt bands or whatever on eBay or Amazon. I think I got this off Amazon. I think this one was from Spain or somewhere. You know, you can have a look around, and most of them are quick delivery. There's a few Velcro ones, but try a bunt band. If you've got a big wrist and you've got a smaller watch in your collection, try it out. I guarantee you it's going to look alright. It's going to look good. You know, just pick the colour, whether you want a dark leather brown or a worn out black or a nice fresh leather looking black. Whether you want the trims around it in white or whether you want it even in yellow, anything, like just the sewing part of it. Funny thing is, at the beginning, before I got onto on the channel, I even bought a kit from Amazon. You could roll it up, and in the kit was all the leather equipment. And then I went to a leather supply. I bought offcuts of leather because I thought it's going to be for a watch band anyway. And it has all the stamps, the needles, the rollers for the glue, I think it is. The whole thing, you know, I'll put it in the description so you can see what I ended up buying from Amazon. And it was really good. It looked really professional. My wife thought it costed a fortune. She goes, oh, and when she knew the price, she went, oh, is that all? Things are so much different than what they used to be like. Look, I'm sure it's not, you walk into a factory where people do it for a living, but it's pretty close to good, you know. I'm sure that there's a lot of things there that they would even use, but it is good quality. And it comes in a leather bag, and it rolls up, and then you got buckles on the outside. Yeah, it's got buckles and things, not in Velcro, but pretty good. And then I just bought a couple of little extras on the side. Like I bought some like little buckles and pins and things like that weren't there. Even some leather don't know if you call it string, but yeah, leather strings and that you can put through and sew around the edges if you wanted to. But yeah, you can make it look really good. So it's not bad, especially if you make your own and then you do it, mate. You'll enjoy it better. And you got stamps, you know, you can stamp your initials or stamp patterns. There's like a whole bunch of patterns. Well, now I'm going to have to, you know, mention it here. Just show you exactly what I bought and bit for bit. Yeah, it's worth it. Anyway, all you watch lovers, you enjoy the day. I am. Never been happier. You know, how great is it to be on this beautiful forum and it gives you something to do and it's speak about the things that you love the most. Mate, watches. We love watches. I mean, I love watches, radios, things that belong in the garage, blue collar. But I'm telling you, watches have changed my life. I've really enjoyed it. The only thing is I want more. I want more watches. Just remember, what happens in the garage stays in the garage. No sneaking around sending messages to Mrs. Hey, guess what? He bought another watch. Okay, have a good one, boys.